So the guest tonight, we met last night, you know, he's a no-nonsense man, so he doesn't accept an interview, and he wanted to see, he said, Master, then questions now, person will be some catch me, let me hear it. And I said, oh, I have only one question for you. The question is, why do you want to be president? He said, yeah, I like that. That I can deal with. And then he told me along the line something very interesting, which I'm setting up tonight. He said, where are our patriotic songs? He wants the youth to connect to our patriotic songs. So he's gotten some people to put it together. So we have put together one patriotic song for him. We'll put it for him with a montage. We'll look at it. But Honorable Kennedy, good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hey, the pressure your people gave me. Oh, sorry. The pressure your people gave me today.
Why?
It wasn't easy. From yesterday, midnight, your son was texting me, where is the flyer? I said, oh, the flyer will come tomorrow. Then today, text upon text and phone calls. Then at some point, your campaign manager Kwame also called and said, look, we are going to cancel the program. I said, oh, but I saw Kennedy this morning at breakfast. He said, but you are not bringing the flyer. So I know that your social media is quite effective. Why do you like the song?
You know, thank you very much for asking this question.
It doesn't matter. Just do it.
I like this song because it reminds me of where I'm coming from and where I've gotten to and where I will go.
I like the way you're going. So what is Obinyanime? How does it?
Yeah.
What are the words in the song that?
You know, whatever is happening in my life, I never even expected that this will happen. Somebody born in that village, actually in Wa and brought to Asin Dompim.
It's okay.
Going through hustling and everything in life. And where I am today, I think it resonates with the lady's song that is like a dream. You know, so I always listen to the words carefully and I enjoy it. It reminds me of my youthful age, my background and everything. You know, I was born and bred into a poor home. I would say into the valley, and I've crawled, getting up on top. So everything is like a dream to me. Although it's through hard work, I still feel like it's a dream. Checking my background and where I'm coming from. That's why.
Say Dyson.
Yeah, if it's indeed it's a dream.
Or it's reality.
Or it's
Let's
reality.
take it one more.
Nhyira na Abεn se minyinio minyete ye mi wunya minko Nhyira na Abεn you say minyani po I am a sad dias eh besu mimpecha na Abεn se minyinio minyete ye mi wunya minko Nhyira na Abεn you say minyani po I am a sad dias Anunti obinyani mio Saya Diana miswa obinyani mio Saya Daya obinyani mio Mi wunya minko I am a sad dias Anunti obinyani mio Saya Diana miswa obinyani mio Saya Daya obinyani mio Mi wunya minko I am a sad dias Anunti mimpecha na Abεn Se minyinio Minyete Ye mi wunya minko Nhyira na Abεn You say mi jadi po I am a sad dias Anunti obinyani mio Saya daya na miswa obinyani mio Saya daya obinyani mio Gede jeja posi I am a sad dias Obinyani no Saya daya na oswa obinyani no Saya daya obinyani mio Miunya minko I am a sad Messi I am a sad dias so I am Baya usada yeswa.
Okay, so the